Thutha wa murimu wa Covid-19 gukinya guku bururi-ini, aciari aingi mari na kimako kinene kia uria mangithaitira ciana ciao kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu uyu, makionekana tario mari ugwati munene makiria gukira andu agima. Mwaka umwe na nuthu murimu uyu uri guku bururi-ini, maundu ni ngurani na matanya maria mari kuo, amu ciana iria iri na ukuru wa mwaka umwe nginyagia miaka 19 tio magomeirwo ni murimu uyu na njira nene, na kuringana na ndagitari Wilisa Kwale, kuronekana ciana ni irahota gwitiria murimu uyu kiringithania na andu agima.
The observation and the scientific assumption is that the younger populations have a stronger immunity. Their bodies have a stronger immunity, so they don't develop the disease.
Gukinyaniria na riu ciana iria ciri na ukuru wa mweri umwe nginyagia miaka 9 ikuite 57 na iria ire gatagati-ini ka ukuru wa miaka 10 nginyagia 19 ikuite 31. Ino wari kionereria kiega ati ciana ni irahota gwitiria murimu uyu makiria.
People at different ages can react differently to diseases. So when you go to malaria, the younger people have less immunity, they suffer more. But now with COVID, the observation is that they have a better immunity. That is why the elderly are the ones getting sick much more. So the explanation is to do with the immune response to the virus.
Uthuthuria ni wambikitwo wa gukurana niki kiracungiriria ciana gwitiria murimu uyu, ona thengia ya gukorwo matiambiririe gukorwo makiamukira njanjo, indi kuri na mabururi mambiririe guthecana njanjo kuri ciana cia ukuru wa miaka 12. Umuthi andu 745 nio monekanite na murimu wa Covid-19 na gukinyaniria ithabu ria arwaru guku bururi-ini, aria andu 212 573 ikiro kia ugwatania ikirugamira gicunji gia 12 hari 100, andu 30 magikua. Namba ya andu aria othe makuite ari andu 4,179, andu 161 makihona. Namba ya andu aria othe mahonete ari andu 197 468. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rwakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.